Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the icon block in WordPress Kadence. This is a mini-series on taking a look at the blocks that Kadence has to offer. To get started, let's go ahead and open up a brand new blank page to look at this block in depth. So there's a couple ways to do that. The first one is if we're on our front end, on our live site here, hover over New on the top toolbar and click on Page. Alternatively, we can head over to our dashboard, hover on to our left-hand sidebar down to Pages, and click on Add New Page. Okay, so once we're here, just a few housekeeping items. If this right-hand sidebar isn't here, there's a button beside Publish called Settings. Just click on that. This is where all of our settings to toggle and configure will appear. Next, let's give our page a title, just to keep things organized. And last but not least, let's go ahead and add the block itself. There's this blue button with the plus icon called the block insert. Click on that, and we can either search for our block here or scroll down and look for it. But Kadence is on top of list for us, so we just have to head over to icon and drag and drop that, or just click on it, and it'll end up on our workspace here. Let's go ahead and close the block inserter to give ourselves some more room to work with, and clicking on this parent block button here, we have a few general options here. We have our alignment options. We can wrap it around if we have other elements, and our advanced settings are just additional CSS classes. Now let's go ahead and click on the single icon here, and well, first we can duplicate this, and we'll have two, and let's configure one and show you that we can move them around. So we can add a tooltip to this. So this is one. Okay, we can and there's a lot of tooltips here, so we can put it on the right side, okay, or we can put it on the left side, right? And that's pretty sick actually. And we can copy and paste the styles over here, and then we can put this one with a tooltip, and we'll put this on the, let's say, bottom end, and we'll call this is 2, and okay, that's pretty cool. And then let's go ahead and customize the icons themselves. So we can click on here, oops, and we have a bunch of different types of icons that we can use, right? So we have line icons. Let's use this heart over here, and then for this one, let's go ahead and choose a solid one. Oops. And let's go ahead and use this checkerboard one here. It's probably an actual site, but there we go. There they are. And let's edit icon 1. So we can change the icon size depending on the device we're using. We can change the line width. Okay, so our icon is customizable here, right? And we can make our icon stacked style. Okay, if we did this, it will give it a container, and we can change the icon colors from here. It's a heart, so obviously it's going to be red. And I believe this is our hover button here. We can add a background color to this if we wanted to, and we can change it to a lighter one when we hover over it, and we can add a border color as well, and we can change the border size, okay, and then we can change the border radius to round it out to make it a circle or just a rounded square, and we can add a link and then the title, and then a title for screen readers for if that's to make it a bit more accessible. We have our advanced settings here, which are our spacing settings, and we can save this as our default block if we wanted all of our icons to start off the same. So we can add margins and stuff. So I'll keep this here, or I can actually move these here, and we can use this as a row of buttons for social media icons and etc. So with this, we can add a some padding here, right? And then we can also add a margin here, and you can see the difference that makes. Okay, and with that said, let's go ahead and click on Publish and take a look at how our icon blocks would look on our live site. Okay, with that saved, let's go ahead and click on View Page. And this is how the icon block in Kadence looks like. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.